let us start. Now we'll see fixed beam with central couple. Central couple like this. Some M0 couple, okay? L by 2, L by 2. A, B. Here, we know, see, for previous cases, actually, for central point load, so we got anti-clockwise PL by 8 and here clockwise PL by 8. And for eccentric point load, AB span L, here anti-clockwise PAB square by L square, here clockwise PA square B by L square. For UDL, anti-clockwise W L square by 12, here clockwise W L square by 12. So in all these three cases we have seen left side anti-clockwise, right side clockwise. But in this case, because of couple, both sides clockwise couples only will get. MA, MB clockwise couple only will get. So now we'll see what is MA, what is MB. So first we'll split this beam into simply supported beam, with couple M0, L by 2, L by 2. Then simply supported beam with MA alone. Then simply supported beam with MB alone. So reactions are here M0 by L, sorry, downward M0 by L. Clockwise means anti-clockwise like this. M0 by L, M0 by L. Here MA means clockwise means anti-clockwise. MA by L, MA by L reaction. Clockwise MB means anti-clockwise MB by L, MB by L. So now bending moment diagram for this is negative, then it goes like this because of M0, it goes up, then it goes like this and becomes M0 by L. I mean, sorry, that is 0 here. Bending moment diagram. 1 second. Here, sorry, here 0 moment and it goes to negative, and here it is M0 by L into L by 2. That means M0 by 2. Here this quantity is minus M0 by 2. And by considering this M0, it goes up M0 by 2. So this is the bending moment diagram. This is negative, this is positive. Okay. Then for this couples, bending moment diagrams are like this. MA, this is positive. Here MA. Okay. For this bending moment diagram is negative MB. Okay. Now we need to apply conditions. Okay, two conditions. Positive area equal negative area. That is first positive area half into L by 2 into M naught by 2 plus another positive area is this one. This is one area, this is another area. Half into L into MA is equal to negative area. So this one half into L by 2 into M naught by 2. Positive area, sorry, another negative area, this one half into L into MB. Now this term gets cancelled and here L by 2 gets cancelled, so we got MA equal to MB. That is equation 1. MA equal to MB, that is equation number 1. Let us assume that is MA equal to MB equal to M. Let us assume M. Okay. Equation number 1, M. That means MA equal to M, MB also M. Second condition is moment of positive area equal to moment of negative area about B. Okay. Now positive area moment half into L by 2 into M naught by 2 positive area. Its distance is 2/3 of L by 2. Another positive area plus half into, see MA we are considering M because MA equal to MB, that is M, half into M into L into half into M into L into this, because this area is half into M into L. Centroidal distance is about B, it is 2/3 of L, which is equal to negative, moment of negative area, that is negative area, this one half into L by 2 into M naught by 2 into centroidal distance L by 2 plus 1/3 of L by 2 plus another negative area half into L into this MB also M into L by 3, 1/3 of L, that is L by 3. Now we need to simplify this. Okay. First one here 2 gets cancelled. M naught L square by how much? 24, right? Okay. Plus 2 gets cancelled here. ML square by 3 equal to here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6, how much? M naught L square by 8 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. 6 is LCM. 3 by 4 by 2 by 3 kadama?
2 by 3.
2 by 3 plus ML square by 6. That means how much? Here M naught L square everywhere is there, gets cancelled. Okay. L square everywhere is there. So M naught by 24 plus M by 3 equal to 2 fours. So m naught by 12 plus m by 6. Then from this, m by 3 minus m by 6 equal to m naught by 12 minus m naught by 24. That means m by 3 minus m by 6 is m by 6.
M by 6 is equal to
M naught by 12 minus m naught by 24, m naught by 24.
M naught by 24.
So m equal to m naught by 4. That is MA equal to MB equal to m naught by 4. That means here this is MA is m naught by 4. MB also m naught by 4. So these are the reactions, okay? I mean fixed moments. Fixed moments are m naught by 4, m naught by 4. Okay? This is central couple. We'll see. Doubt on the
Sir,
next case, eccentric couple. M naught eccentric couple AB. L. Okay. Here, first simply supported beam with couple M naught. Obviously, reactions are like this: M naught by L, M naught by L. Bending moment is of this. Like this, negative, positive. Here, M naught by L into A. That means M naught A by L. Here, M naught B by L. Of course, it is negative quantity. M naught A by L is negative quantity. M naught B by L is positive quantity. This is A, this is B. Okay. Then MA alone. Here also we are assuming MA, MB both are in clockwise direction. MB. So apply MA here. And one more thing. MB here. Then bending moment diagrams are okay. Reactions are clockwise means anti-clockwise. MA by L, MA by L. So positive bending moment diagram like this. That is MA here. Here clockwise means anti-clockwise like this. MB by L, MB by L. Bending moment diagram negative like this. Sorry. Negative. Okay. L span. This amount is MB. So procedure is say first one is positive area equal negative area. That is positive area equal to negative area is first condition. So positive area here half into B into m naught B by L plus another positive area half into L into MA, which is equal to negative area half into A into m naught A by L, another negative area half into L into MB. You can see here everywhere half gets cancelled, right? Half 2, 2, 2. Then dividing with L, what happens? M naught B square by L square plus MA equal to M naught A square by L square plus MB. Otherwise, MA minus MB equal to M naught by L square into A square minus B square. That is one condition. Next is moment of area. Moment of positive area equal to moment of negative area. Okay. So what is positive area? Half into B into M naught B by L into about B, 2/3 of B plus another positive area half into L into MA into 2/3 of L, which is equal to negative area half into A into M naught A by L. Its central distance is B plus A by 3 plus another negative area half into L into MB into how much? L by 3, right? L by 3. Okay. Now 2 gets cancelled here. Otherwise, everywhere this 2 gets cancelled. 2, 2, 2, 2. Now M naught 2 by 3 M naught B cube by L plus 2 by 3 MA L square equal to M naught A square B by L plus M naught A cube by 3L plus MB L square by 3. To eliminate fractions, multiply with 3L. Multiply with 3L. What happens? 2M naught B cube plus 2MA L cube equal to 3M naught A square B plus M naught A cube plus MBL cube. Okay. Okay, now divide with L cube here. L cube gets cancelled by L cube gets cancelled. So 2MA minus MB equal to 1 by L cube common. M naught also can take common. M naught by L cube, taking common 3a square b plus a cube minus 2b cube. This is equation number 2. So suppose equation 2 minus equation 1, what happens? MB gets cancelled, 2MA minus MA we will get, okay? So that we will do. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So equation 2 is m naught by L cube 3a square b plus a cube minus 2b cube. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So m naught by what? L cube. Second 3 a square b plus a cube minus 2b cube. Plus a cube minus
2b cube.
2b cube minus m naught by L square
A square minus b.
a square minus b square equal to MA. Therefore, MA equal to, taking m naught by L cube aside, 3a square b plus
A cube
plus a cube minus 2b cube minus L into a square minus b square, which is equal to m naught by L cube. Here a square can be taken out, 3b plus a minus 2b cube minus a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Here a square, 3b plus a is L plus 2b, because a plus b is L, minus 2b cube minus a plus b L square into a minus b. Now it is m naught by L cube a square L plus 2a square b minus 2b cube minus al square plus bl square is equal to m naught by L cube. Here a square L plus here b can be 2b can be taken out, a square minus b square minus al square plus l square minus l square plus bl square. Again here m naught by L cube a square L plus 2b, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, so L into a minus b minus al square plus bl square. Next, which is equal to m naught by L cube a square L plus 2abl minus 2b square L. So everywhere L is common, right? Everywhere L is common, we can take it out. So L taking common, it becomes L square, then a square plus 2ab minus 2b square plus minus al plus bl is equal to m naught by L square. This you can write a square plus 2ab plus b square minus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is l square. Minus b square means minus 3b square minus al plus bl. m naught by l square. See here, l square, in l square, l taken common, l minus a minus 3b square plus bl. Obviously, m naught by l square, l minus a is b. So l into b minus 3b square minus plus l into b. That equal to l naught by m naught by l square. B can be taken out. 2l minus 3b. That equal to b m naught b by l square 2l minus 3b. So l minus ఇక్కడ తప్పు చేశామా? l minus 3b plus l.
సార్ ఇక్కడ
సార్ రైట్ సైడ్ టాప్
ఎక్కడ పోయింది?
సార్ ఇక్కడ రైట్ సైడ్ టాప్ లో 2ab అని రాశారు కదా. ఓకే సార్, ఓకే
కదా. l minus 2b plus l minus b. ఇక్కడ l minus 3b రావాలి మనకు. 2l అందుకు వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ పోయింది. l into l minus a l square minus al minus 3b square plus b square minus b square minus 3b square. One second line lo. Now m naught by b l square 2 into a plus b minus 3b, that equal to m naught b by l square 2a plus 2b minus 3b minus b, that equal to m naught b by l square 3a, see 2a plus a minus a. What happens? m naught b by l square 3a common minus common 3a minus l. So we got ma equal to m naught by b, m naught b by l square 3a minus l. ma equal to m naught b by l square, how much? 3a minus l. And what is ma minus mb condition? ma minus mb m naught by l square a square minus b square. ma minus, sorry, m naught minus mb equal to, what is that? m naught by l square a square minus b square. That means mb equal to ma minus m naught by L square A square minus B square. That equal to m naught is m naught B by L square 3A minus L minus m naught by L square A square minus B square, which equal to m naught by L square, if you take common, 3AB minus LB minus A square plus B square. So m naught by L square 3AB minus LB. Here B square minus A square is A plus B into, B plus A into B minus A. B plus A is L into B minus A, which is equal to m naught by L square 3AB minus LB plus LB minus AL, which is equal to, gets cancelled. What is that? LB gets cancelled. M naught by L square. A can be taken out. 3A minus L. Sorry, 3B minus L. That is MB. So finally we got this. For this M naught, this is A, this is B. MA equal to m naught B by L square into 3A minus L. MB equal to, again clockwise, m naught A by L square into 3B minus L. So this is about fixed beam with the eccentric couple. Okay, note చేసుకోండి, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. లేకపోతే ఈ స్లైడ్ అంతా తీసుకుని రాసుకున్నారా? ప్రీవియస్ స్లైడ్ ఇది. టైం అయిపోతుంది, 1 minute ఉంది, ఇంకా రాసుకోండి, నోట్ చేసుకోండి, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. లేకపోతే శ్రీనివాస్ క్లియరా?
Sir, previously present కూడా.
ఏది ఇదా?
Previous.
ఇదా? ఏ స్లైడ్ కావాలి?
అయిపోయింది సార్.
అయిపోయిందా మొత్తము? ఓకే.